Many people think traffic chaos is caused by too many vehicles on the road. But in reality, many situations begin with just one car parked in the wrong place for a few minutes. The person responsible is often gone before the real trouble begins. The camera is not. Park time captures the moment when a small decision leads to an ending no one expects.
Hey, you can't park there!
Please don't park there.
Park there!
Always pay attention to the safety of yourself and your loved ones.
Just take that fucking thing with you. God damn. Okay. Yeah, pull it out. Get a hold. Back up and...
Nothing seems to be impossible for women. Using this method to transport lumber might be a bit too hard on the vehicle, my friend. He's just helping the red car get up the slope a little. Do you know what it means to be favored by nature? This car is the answer. I really think people should reconsider where they park. Never block a fire lane. Is this really the best way to solve the problem? What do you think, guys?
You got it! Let's go!
It looks like he's letting his car practice swimming. Storing a car like this isn't exactly environmentally friendly, my friend. Oh no, what's happening to that car? It's lifting off the ground. Never lend your car to anyone while it's on a recall list. He really needs to relearn how to use the brake pedal. She only had one beer, officer. Easy there, sister. Take a breath. Talk it out calmly.
Sir, you need to move!
Oh my God!
Oh no. I think he should just abandon that car at this point. Stubbornness won't get the car moving. It only makes the repair bill longer. No negotiation here, just a fine and a forced move. Does anyone know what happened here? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure this guy parked there on purpose. Oh no. Stay calm on the road, everyone. Let's handle things peacefully. The power of dreams versus the power of a wheel clamp.
Okay.
A lesson for everyone. Never use your phone while driving. One important phone call sent his car door on an unexpected trip to the repair shop. A small but clever trick for surprising someone. Where did the front of my car go? Entering a blind spot means trusting that others will see you, and that's a serious risk. Impressive reversing skills, but unfortunately, this isn't the right place. Good thing there was a car there, otherwise something bad could have happened. Just one moment of pressing the wrong pedal can send everything out of control. Next time, he'll definitely remember there's something on the roof. This is how it ends when you stop at a red light but block the pedestrian lane. Laziness comes with an immediate price. Before driving off, always check around your car. Even small objects matter. You really need to see the price to believe it. Getting hit while doing absolutely nothing, hard to explain that one. If it were you, what would you do in this situation? How would you react if a car blocked your way like this?
Told him to just lift it and move it. That car is really extremely light.
What on earth is going on with roadside parking? Oh no, this is not funny at all for her.
Hey, sir!
What is he doing to that parked car? It was only there for a moment. Trying to keep your shoes dry like this? That's just foolish. This is the kind of situation where even an experienced driver would immediately drop to their knees without hesitation. The car be like, "Hey buddy, long time no see." You paid for a car wash, only to get your bumper rinsed for free by someone else. I have nothing to do with this. I'm laughing way too hard. A clever tip to deal with illegally parked cars, but I strongly advise you not to try it. fun game, but it's pretty rough on the tires, my friend. What did he do to make them so angry? Does anyone know? Tell me in the comments. Traffic does not respond to intention, but to consequence. A car parked in the wrong place may remain there for only a few minutes, yet the chain reaction behind it can last far longer. When patience reaches its limit, events often take a turn no one anticipates. Park Time captures that moment. Follow Park Time to continue seeing small decisions that lead to big consequences.